Hey friends, in this video I will talk about 3 things that you should definitely not miss out on while being in school. Welcome back to my channel, I'm Maxi and here I do study and career tips videos as well as tech videos to help you improve your life as a student. So now let's get into it and I'll talk about the 3 things you should definitely not miss out on while being in school, and those are side hustles, hobbies and friends. So let's start with the, in my opinion, least important one, and this is side hustles. So while being in school, you have a pretty huge amount of free time, and you can actually use this free time for some side hustles like YouTube, freelancing, tutoring in a great way. And those side hustles will also help you building up valuable skills like design, content creation, teaching, and a lot more depending on which side hustle you choose. These skills might also help you finding out what your career path after school might look like, and they will of course also help you in all these application processes you will face after school. Next to that side hustles of course also gain some income, which is great as you do not earn any money as a student. The next thing is hobbies, and hobbies can be overlooked pretty easily while being in school. Because of important exams you might even leave them completely behind. And I can definitely tell you that this is a huge mistake, as you probably won't have that much time for your hobbies anytime again in your life or anytime soon in your life again. So you should definitely take those time. Hobbies are also great for personal development, as you can take responsibility and also build up skills when working or playing in a team. The greatest thing about hobbies is that you can do it with your friends. Talking about friends, we're also at point number 3 of the most important things you should not miss out on while being in school, and those are friends. You have lots of time in school and besides school with your friends. You should definitely use this time to build up friendships for life. Because your ways may separate after school when going to different universities, attending different jobs in different locations. But when having built up those friendships for life, you always have a great friend or great friends you can come back to, reliable friends that you can always contact, and they will always be there for you, which is just a great asset. Yeah, so definitely do not miss out on building up those friendships by spending a lot of time with your friends. So when you are still in school, I highly recommend you not missing out on these 3 things. And as I already mentioned, side hustles. If you like this video, you might also want to check out my video about how to make money as a student, where I will talk about different side hustles that will help you gaining some side income as a student. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.